Did you know that the pH value of your hair is also very important when it comes to choosing hair care and hair health? We always talk about the skin, but what about the hair? I'm Dr. Anika Goyal, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today I'm going to tell you all about the pH of hair and what you can do to maintain the pH balance. Now we have to understand the most important thing is that at times we're coloring the hair, we're using hair treatments or chemical treatments. All of this will disrupt the natural balance. And now maybe you'll say, but I don't get any treatments done. Even our regular shampoos and the water quality can impact the pH of the hair as well. Now, what is the natural pH of the hair? It is 4.5 to 5.5. So what this means is to maintain healthy hair, we should be between these values. How can we achieve this? The first and foremost, since shampoo is something we're using most regularly, this should be a pH balanced shampoo. Avoid excessive heat application, avoid excessive chemical treatments. If you are getting these treatments done, make sure you follow these up with the pH balanced shampoos. A lot of times if you actually read the fine print or read the ingredients, you might find the pH value on the front or on the back of the bottle. Now, apart from maintaining the pH balance of the hair, of course, this is not the only factor that comes into healthy hair. We have to work on hydration of the hair, which means using leave-in serums or conditioners when required, using hair conditioner and mask after shampooing the hair. So this is an important factor too, and again will impact the regular pH balance of your hair. Along with this, you can opt for in-clinic treatment. In our clinic, what we've done is we've created and customized scalp treatments and hair treatments that will regulate the hair pH and will work on any scalp issues that you may be facing, or maybe if you're just trying to work on a healthy scalp. Now, in these treatments, we have various combinations. So for example, hair mesotherapy is a cocktail of vitamins that will help to rejuvenate the scalp and the hair. We have hair detox treatments, which are focused around cleansing the scalp. We have treatments which involve the addition of Botox. So not Botox that is used in the salons, but the actual Botox is used in a cocktail to help the scalp health. So now these are various treatments you can try out according to any concern you have. We also have some nice deep hydrating hair repair treatments which help the quality of your hair. So something I always talk about is that your hair is actually kind of a dead structure on the bottom, so you have to work on making it healthier and hydrating it with the use of external products and not chemical treatments. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and like the video.